Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Sentra, and on this Nissan Sentra we're going to go over where you would add your washer fluid or windshield washer fluid to be able to spray on your windows and clean your windows. So this is the fluid reservoir. It's on the the right hand side of the vehicle, say passenger side, up toward the front, right behind the front headlight. And so we have the cap here. You're just going to pop the cap, put whichever type of washer fluid you'd like to be in there, whichever brand you prefer. And this will hold, I believe it holds almost a gallon. A lot of times they're about 3 liters or 3 quarts. So and so you just put your washer fluid in there. You can fill it all the way up to the neck or just fill it halfway, depending. Sometimes you might have, if there's a leak, a cracked seal, you may have to just replace the whole reservoir. Now if you've got fluid in here, your washer fluid, and it's all the way full, or you can see it and you know it's in there, and you try to use it, you'll either need to check the pump, because maybe the pump has gone bad, or a fuse to run, or if the line is clogged. But those are things you may need to address if it's not working. But if it's working and you hit the button and you can hear the hum noise, then you would know that you're out of washer fluid and would need to add some. And so that's how you add washer fluid on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.